Hi, I'm Jeff Shetner, and this is how you operate the Xtreme 7038F. On your way up to the cab, make sure you maintain 3 points of contact. Before operating any heavy equipment, make sure you do a walk around as detailed in the ops manual. The ops manual can be found behind the seat in the cab. To close the door, press down on the release lever to your left-hand side. To open the door back up, hit the lever on the handle, and to release the upper window, use the release lever right here. Make sure you have the door closed all the way or fully locked in the back position before operating. When operating an Xtreme forklift, make sure you have the proper PPE for your job site. Once in the cab, first put on your seatbelt and adjust the seat accordingly. Adjustments can be done here, here, and here. For your reference, the load chart is located right here. On the right-hand side of the dash panel, we have our display with critical information such as RPMs, fuel level, oil pressure, coolant level, along with our cameras. The 7038 is equipped with a front camera standard along with a reverse camera. To drive the machine, release the parking brake and push the transmission lever away from you to go forward, towards you to go in reverse, and in the middle position for neutral. Xtremes are equipped with 3 steer modes operated by a switch on the right hand side of the dash. In the down position, we have 4-wheel steer mode for turning in tight radiuses, 2-wheel steer mode for roading the machine, and crab mode for turning laterally. Okay, to the left of that, we have our light switches. On the bottom, we have our front lights, middle, we have our rear lights, and on the top, we have our boom lights. And in the bottom right hand side of the dash, we have our windshield wiper switch, and in the middle of the machine, we have our steering wheel and our horn button. To the right of your dash panel, you have your function lever. On the very front, we have our enable button. Squeezing the enable button will turn on the green light, showing that you're ready to operate. Pull the lever backwards to raise the boom up. Push the joystick forward to boom down. Move the joystick to your right to extend, and move the joystick to the left to retract. On the top of the joystick, we have our tilt sway buttons. Pulling that button back will tilt backwards. Sliding it forward will tilt forward. Sliding it to the right will sway the chassis to the right. And to the left will sway the machine to the left. To the right of that, we have our auxiliary switch. Moving it forward or backwards will operate your forks in or out. On the left-hand side, we have our speed selector for our transmission. Rocking it forward will shift up in gears, and putting down will go lower in gears. You can also do this with the transmission lever itself by rocking forward or backwards. On the top of the joystick, we have our auxiliary select mode. In the middle position, both lights will be illuminating, showing that both left and right auxiliary functions will operate. When it's to the right, only the right light will light up, showing it's only the right auxiliary function. And to the left light will light up, showing it is the left auxiliary functions. This switch is for special carriages that require A, B, C, D functionality. On the left-hand side of the seat, we have our heat and AC switches. The left is for the blower speed select. The middle is for the AC, and the right is for your temperature controls. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, contact your local Xtreme rep.